right, so it might have been a false alarm last night, but this morning I was sleeping in because my day off, the one where I stay home and I do the things around the house I need to get done. Anyway, so I just woke up to a wind advisory warning, and the wind is picking up again. So just feeding my dogs now. Got my energy drink. And then I'm going to go tie shit down. But anyways, and then I'll do all the garden things that I do normally every weekend. My weekend. I know it's Monday. Yeah, so long day. My day starting now. So it's 7 something this morning. 7:16. So I got up at 7. And normally on my regular days I get up at like 5. But anyways, hopefully everything's okay. And it just started, so I'm sure everything's fine. And if it's moved a little bit, it's just a little bit. So anyways, see you soon. Just a quick looky-loo. So this is fine. This thing I was worried about flying away, but oh yeah, see, it's already put a hole in there, so it might be okay. Yeah, but I'm securing it right now. So, to be continued. Oh shit, okay. No, don't fly away from me. Hang on. Scissors. Just cut all my things. Like the girls yesterday. Hey, open the bag of dog food. And one of them grabbed scissors. on each end, and it's winding pretty good, guys. I will be out here for the morning doing stuff and watering and everything, so I will be able to keep an eye on it and adjust where it needs to be adjusted. So, yep. Anyway, later.
This is my stuff. Got to get